Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and these are the 6 reasons to buy Vivo V9. To be completely honest, none of these reasons individually are good enough to buy this phone. Now when we put all of them together, then that becomes a huge reason to buy this phone over any other phone out there. Yes, that also includes the Nokia 7 Plus and even the Redmi Note 5 Pro. Now with that said, here are the reasons. The first reason to buy this phone would obviously be the display. This phone comes with a 6.3-inch IPS LCD display with Full HD Plus resolution, with the new 19:9 aspect ratio, with a top notch just like the iPhone X, protected by a 2.5D curved Corning Gorilla Glass. It has a 90% screen to body ratio and it simply looks stunning. If you're looking for a phone with an awesome display with a huge screen to body ratio, then in this price segment, this is it. Now the next reason to buy this phone would be the USP of this brand. That's the front-facing camera. Vivo V9 sports a 24 megapixel front-facing camera with f2.0 aperture and has features like AR stickers, AI face beauty mode, and portrait mode. Here are some sample shots taken with AR stickers. And these are some sample shots taken in the portrait mode. Front camera itself takes some great pictures. Along with that, we get some cool software features like the AR stickers and the portrait selfie mode. Now the next reason to buy this phone would be the rear cameras. This phone packs a dual camera setup with a 16 megapixel primary camera with f2.0 aperture and a 5 megapixel secondary camera with f2.4 aperture used for depth sensing. Rear camera is definitely not as good as the front facing camera, but still does a pretty good job. It supports auto HDR, 4K video recording, and gives us features like bokeh mode and short refocus. Bokeh mode is nothing but portrait mode, which adds a blur effect to the background. By using the short refocus feature, we can change the focus point and the amount of blur effect after taking a picture. Now this is a feature Redmi Note 5 Pro doesn't offer. Now the next reason to buy this phone would be the processor. This phone sports a Snapdragon 626 processor with Adreno 506 GPU. Yes, in terms of price to performance ratio, it's not a huge upgrade, but if we consider the last year's Vivo V7 and the V7 Plus, which came with Snapdragon 450 processor, Snapdragon 626 is a pretty good upgrade. This processor is built using the 14nm architecture, so it is also very power efficient and you get good battery life. Now the next reason to buy this phone would be the dedicated SD card slot. Now this is something we rarely see in this price segment, and no other phone that comes with similar set of features offers us a dedicated SD card slot. So once again, this is something very unique to this phone. Now the final reason to buy this phone would be the form factor, sleekness, and its weight. Even though it has a massive screen, because of the aspect ratio, it fits comfortably in the hand. It has a thickness of 7.89 mm and weighs just 150 grams. Redmi Note 5 Pro is probably its biggest competitor, which offers better performance at a very low price, but it weighs 180 grams and that's quite heavy. So once again, if you're someone who is looking for a phone that also feels very light to hold, then Vivo V9 will be a better choice. So guys, as I've said, individually, all these reasons doesn't amount to anything. But if you combine all of them, you're getting a phone with an awesome display, good front and rear cameras along with portrait mode for the front and rear cameras, a good mid-range processor which is also power efficient, a dedicated SD card slot, and most importantly, a phone that is very sleek and light in weight. Now that's not all. This phone comes with a lot of other good things like the fingerprint scanner. This phone has a super fast fingerprint scanner and it unlocks the phone in just a split second. It also has face unlock feature which definitely works better than the Redmi Note 5 Pro. It also has a lot of cool software features like we can pull down the notification bar using the fingerprint scanner. It also has the gestures like the iPhone X where we can swipe from the bottom edge to navigate through the phone. It also comes with all the basic sensors including LED notification light, gyroscope, FM radio and compass. So guys, those were the reasons to buy the Vivo V9. What's your reason to buy this phone or not buy this phone? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy this phone, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.